Time, it is just difference of this time. This Chudumaran is criminal, Saitan digital hackers. I to mention my 3 Facebook others. That is one. This is the Facebook coverage. And another my this one. And another 2 will be there, but they will not allow me at this stage. And another is there. They are not allowing me. This one. This one is also mine. Ineffective state, matlab I am running 5. And others are being hacked. And some are being destroyed or data is compromised. Now, if I am going to, and you can see this time difference. At time I completed that one. I am taking this video also in that time. That the time calculation can critically be calculated. Now I am to go somewhere. So I have to show the all details. You just see, I am Dr. Rabindranath Roy. But it will be there, but I am to mention my Twitter 3. This one. Then Facebook. That I mention all those. This Facebook. And mobile, my this one SIM. That make one. Now that I am also communicated this matter or this message to Indian government, Prime Minister office, that document is there. So all those things, they are digitally hacking for what good reason that you has to verify. Your integrity and your people integrity and how secure, safe your own internal safety, what we are doing or as if you are anarchist. That certain peoples have majority in USA, then it is coming horrible days for the whole world. Whole world peace, earth has been looted, destroyed by your winning election. I do not know how fair was your election and what has happened, because there is a lot of digital system crisis and so many people of the ready-made agitators, vote collectors, who can do worldwide of any country political setup change. There are more than 20,000, and some people are telling 2 million near about people of Indian bonds are acting. I are remaining from India and USA, UK, France, etc. everywhere. They are to capture the whole world, that civil people's civil rights. Just you like witches or digital satanic mentality, barbar, prostitutes, criminals, on parasite of the source. You are nothing, you are ineffective, inefficient to run this problem. So you have to take care. If you are not, what I am blaming is actually, I am also to make blame this Kamala Harris. Now, I am also continuing the same. My camera, this camera is Nokia make. It is ordinary. What phone number has been sold? It is a Nokia China make. Indian assembly, but it is all chips bagara that China make. The China's harboring all these Indian criminals under sea, and they have lot of connection. They are the major problem of the digital crime criminal doing or pathogens as a second-hand medium. These people first go as your businessman to Taipei, Korea and China, Hong Kong. To there they go to do all of conspiration in Indonesia, Malaysia. Because all the bird flu, swine flu, Nipah, etc. they have tested in the Southeast Asia and Gujarat, Narendra Modi, where they are home of this culprit, where Narendra Modi has helped and he has suffered. those peoples who have got veterinary, public health, etc., that Gujarat plague, so many things had been first tried at because those problem you have critically learned that all this virus has been brought sea route, and that in China, that was also from seaport, and all these Hong Kong the seaports, Indonesia seaport, Indonesia a lot of ports are there. That Google this now I am topping my. This is recording of this. Now it has been showed that it has been recorded that video this much. The time was this time. When my time, this camera is this computer, and this thing is totally different. These are more equal one, right time. This one, right time. Now to show this what they are to give me,